Introducing our next artist, AOT!
Yeah, put your hands together, everybody.
It's another fiery afternoon, hotter than the month of June. So we should go bleach now, cool down where the water's right, yeah. Let's grab our boards and run to the nearest shore. School is out, let's go now and play out the door, yeah. The wind is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit this party. Cool down, make some noise to say far. The wind is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit this party. Cool down, the water's looking nice and blue, so blue within the clear sky. And the waves are firing, getting higher in, better even as we speak. Yeah, don't you melt the sun, hotter than ever before. Right, surfing right some more. Yeah, the wave is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit this party. Cool down, the wave is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit this party. Cool down. Put your hands up, 685, let's wave them right now. All you riders wanna go and get chicken, and all you paddlers wanna go and no more feet. 'Cause it's a hot day, everybody. Should go and good love, yeah. Let's wanna go and get you, and everybody else, you know what to do. Hey, go grab your eye, it's on outside side. We living in Samoan with all of our and pride, yeah.